When you do insurance for a while, you get to see some very interesting circumstances, whether it's claims or other situations where people may have been dismissive about insurance or didn't understand the full extent of what a policy could do for them, et cetera, et cetera. One of my favorite stories to tell is about a personal friend who actually worked with us for 4 or 5 years. And his folks, wonderful people, but his dad was one of these guys who I think is no longer this way, but didn't have a favorable view of insurance. So I'd hear comments all the time about insurance is a ripoff, insurance is this not so nice thing to say, insurance is that not so nice thing to say. And I got in a conversation with this gentleman one day with my friend, not the father, and I brought up to him, I said, I think you've wrecked 2 or 3 Toyota Camrys now, and each time you've had a new one in like a week or less. Isn't that what insurance is supposed to do? And insurance is helping you get back on the road and get back to your life? And he kind of had this look on his face like, maybe there's something to that. So I think, a lot of times insurance is not a tangible product. Insurance is ultimately a promise. It's a promise by an insurance company to act, to make you financially whole if something bad happens. So if something bad doesn't happen, if that claim doesn't occur, you never use your insurance, but you've always been paying it. So a lot of people form a negative attitude because they feel like they're paying into a black hole. But once you've had that experience where you've crashed a car or you've had an injury that a certain policy type covered or something like that, or God forbid, house burns down, there's a terrible fire or something like that, and all of a sudden you're seeing the insurance company make good on that promise and your quality of life is not falling, it's being maintained. The goal is to put you exactly at the same level where you were before a negative experience occurred. Once you have that experience, I think a lot of people find it to be eye-opening and they have a new appreciation for how insurance functions when it is called into action.